What if the very things you think are saving you money on your car are actually costing you thousands? Your simple choices today could be setting you up for a financial disaster down the road. We're talking about the silent money drain that sneaks up on you. Today, we expose the 9 vital car fixes you're ignoring that are secretly draining your bank account, setting you up for massive future repairs. It's true. Owning a car really can feel like a subscription you never signed up for. And with repair costs constantly going up, even a simple trip to the shop for an oil change costs more today than it did last year. But that's where you can take back control. You don't need to be a pro mechanic to save serious money. It's all about catching the small issues before they turn into those massive, unexpected repair bills. By focusing on a few key areas, you can keep your car on the road and your money in your pocket. So, let's get right into the 9 simple fixes that will save you thousands. Number 1. Regular engine oil and filter changes. This one is non-negotiable. Think of engine oil as the lifeblood of your car, and letting it get old and dirty is a direct path to a massive repair bill. A synthetic oil change at a shop can easily cost you anywhere from $65 to $130. But doing it yourself? The parts cost between 32 pesos and 47 pesos. That's an instant savings of up to $75 every single time. And the best part is you control the quality. You can buy top-tier oil and a premium filter instead of the cheap house oil a shop might use. Clean oil is the number one thing protecting all the moving parts inside your engine from grinding themselves into an expensive paperweight. It reduces friction, carries away heat, and prevents sludge buildup. While keeping your engine's insides clean is crucial, the very thing that ignites the fuel is often forgotten until your car won't start. That's what we're covering next. Number 2. Cooling system service. Think of your engine as a controlled furnace, generating enough heat to melt steel. The only thing stopping a total meltdown is your cooling system, but the coolant, or antifreeze, that circulates through it breaks down over time, getting dirty and acidic. When that happens, it can no longer protect your engine from overheating. And an overheating engine is a catastrophic failure waiting to happen. It can blow a head gasket or even warp the entire engine block. These aren't simple fixes. They can easily run into the thousands, with shop labor alone costing up to $150 an hour. A coolant flush, by comparison, is incredibly cheap and prevents that exact disaster. So your engine is running cool and clean. But what about the system that handles every bump and turn in the road? That's coming up next. Number 3. Transmission fluid changes. Your engine makes the power, but it's your transmission that sends it to the wheels. This system is a complex maze of gears, and the only thing protecting them from grinding into metal shavings is your transmission fluid. But that fluid breaks down, getting dirty and losing its ability to keep things cool and lubricated. That's when you'll feel clunky gear shifts, hear strange noises, or notice your car struggling to accelerate. Ignore those signs, and you're looking at a complete transmission burnout. A full replacement is one of the most expensive repairs you can face, often costing thousands of dollars. Compare that to a simple fluid change, which costs a tiny fraction of a new transmission and prevents that exact failure. Okay, so your engine and transmission are protected. But all that power is useless without grip. That's what we're covering next. Number 4. Brake fluid replacement. All the grip in the world means nothing if you can't stop. Your ability to brake safely relies entirely on one thing: clean brake fluid. Think of it as the muscle behind your brake pedal. But it is the problem almost everyone ignores. Brake fluid naturally absorbs water from the air. That moisture then starts rotting your entire brake system from the inside out, destroying expensive parts like your calipers and master cylinder. That's an easy 4-figure repair bill. Even worse, under heavy braking, add water can boil. When it does, it creates air bubbles, your pedal goes soft, and your stopping power disappears. A simple brake fluid flush costs a tiny fraction of that repair and ensures your car actually stops when you need it to. Okay, so your car can go and it can stop. But what about the tiny parts responsible for the actual combustion? They were out too, and we're covering them next. Number 5. Air filter replacement. Your engine needs 2 things to make power: fuel, and a huge amount of clean air. But if your air filter is clogged with dirt, dust, and bugs, your engine can't breathe. It's like asking it to run a marathon while choking. When that happens, your engine works harder and burns way more gas just to keep up, which absolutely tanks your fuel economy. Worse, that grit can get sucked past the filter, destroying sensitive parts like your mass airflow sensor. That's a repair that can easily set you back hundreds of dollars. The fix? A new air filter often costs less than $20 and takes 5 minutes to change yourself. It's one of the cheapest and easiest ways to protect your engine. So, your engine has clean air. But how does that mixture of air and fuel actually ignite? That requires a tiny, powerful bolt of lightning, and we're covering that next. Number 6. Tire rotation and wheel alignment. Your tires are the only four parts of your car that actually touch the road. But most of us completely ignore them until it's too late. Simply rotating your tires on schedule evens out the wear, adding thousands of extra miles to their life. That's hundreds of dollars you're saving on a new set. When your wheels are misaligned, your tires wear out unevenly and your car can pull to one side, which is dangerous. Even just having low tire pressure not only ruins your tires, but it can wreck your fuel economy by as much as 10%. That's like throwing away every 10th tank of gas. Keeping your tires in good shape is easy. But what about the belts that keep everything under the hood spinning in perfect harmony? That's what we're checking next. Number 7. Spark plug replacement. Deep inside your engine, a tiny bolt of lightning fires thousands of times a minute. That's your spark plug, and it's what ignites the fuel to create power. But these plugs don't last forever. As they wear out, your engine can start to misfire, which tanks your gas mileage and makes your car feel sluggish. If you ignore it for too long, you could even destroy your catalytic converter, a repair that costs a fortune. Now, changing them is a job you can do at home, but there is a critical warning. You must use a torque wrench. Every plug needs to be tightened to a specific spec, overtighten it, and you can snap it right off, turning a simple job into an expensive nightmare. A good torque wrench costs less than 1 hour of a mechanic's time, preventing a massive headache. But creating that power is useless if it can't get to the rest of the engine. That relies on a series of critical belts we're looking at next. Number 8. Battery inspection and cleaning. Your car is never truly off. Modern cars are basically computers on wheels, and they're constantly sipping a little bit of power, even when parked. This slow, steady drain is a silent killer for your battery. And it is a fact that surprises most drivers. It's not the cold, but summer heat that's actually harder on your battery's long-term health. A quick visual check for that crusty, greenish corrosion on the terminals is critical. For about $50, you can get a smart charger that will dramatically extend its life, preventing a surprise dead battery. A simple battery tester is even cheaper. Compare that small investment to a tow truck and a mechanic's bill. This is one of the easiest ways to guarantee your car starts, every single time. Number 9. Timing belt replacement, where applicable. Deep inside certain engines, a single rubber belt is the only thing preventing total destruction. This is the timing belt, and its job is to keep the top half of your engine moving in perfect sync with the bottom half. If it snaps, pistons crash directly into valves at thousands of RPM. The result? A trashed engine, instantly. Now, not all cars have one, many use a long-lasting timing chain instead. But if your car does have a belt, ignoring its replacement schedule is a huge gamble.